Your journey towards hassle-free third-party transfer begins with one simple step: registration. And here's how you can do it. First, log into HDFC Bank NetBanking. Then go to the Money Transfer tab and click on Register Now to start the process. Start the verification process through your debit card by clicking on Continue. Please verify your debit card details including your debit card number, expiry date and PIN and click on Continue. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and click on Accept. Select your security image and message. You will see this image the next time you log in to your HDFC Bank NetBanking. Select different security questions of your choice and answer them accordingly. Be careful not to make any spelling errors. Wrong answers to these questions can hinder your money transfer process. Set your daily third-party transfer limit by moving the cursor along the bar. You can always come back and modify your TPT limit via net banking. Click on Continue to proceed. Check your information for the security image and message, security questions and daily third-party transfer limit. Click Confirm once you are happy with the details. Congratulations on successfully registering for the third-party transfer facility on HDFC Bank NetBanking. Please note that TPT fund transfers are enabled after 24 hours.